Hey everyone, Jamie with Port St. Lucie Mortgage Brokers. Hope you're having a fantastic Tuesday evening. I wanted to bring an update on my open house journey that I posted a couple days ago. Before I do that, a couple things. Number one, I hope you guys had a fun and safe Halloween with you and your family. I know I did, and I got my Reese's Pieces. I am definitely a happy camper. This may not make it through the end of the video. We'll find out. Um, the second thing is this home right over here, the 425, the other new construction home, is actually a 4 bedroom. On my previous video, I think I had mentioned it was 3 bedroom. It's actually 4 bedrooms. It is smaller than what I'm considering the subject property, the 409. That was at some point at 530, right? So anyway, it is a 4 bedrooms compared to 3 bedrooms, but it's smaller in size. Anyway, going back to the update, we have had an update and it's come from the older home. So let's dig in. All right. So as we can see here, the home has been reduced by $10,000. It was priced at $409,900. It is now at $399,900. All right. And as we can see a little bit further below, it's been on the market for 20 days. So only 20 days in, this seller has had to make a call and drop the price on this home. Now, I always say there's usually 3 reasons why this would happen, right? Number one, the home was overpriced, right? The home was overpriced and the seller is trying to bring it back in line to its real price range. Number two, the homes around it are driving the price down, right? Maybe there's homes comparable to this one at a lower price, so it's forcing this seller to adjust their price to stay competitive in selling this home. Or number three, the personal side, right? There may be something personal that is driving this seller specifically to kind of move quickly and try to sell the home as fast as possible. So we don't know. We don't want to speculate. But this is, kind of a litmus test to the market in this specific area. And I've been doing this probably since like June of this year to kind of see what the market is doing, since I get a lot of questions from agents and both buyers. So anyways, I also wanted to point out, let's come down here. So there is another open house there's another open house at this house on Sunday, November 6th, which is just a week after they've done the last one. So as we can tell, these are sellers that are driven to sell this house as fast as possible, right? These are motivated sellers, which is the word I was kind of missing there. But these are motivated sellers. They're dropping the price quickly, only 20 days in, and they're having open houses. They want people to come out here and look at this house. So we don't know what's going to happen. Obviously, I'm going to keep tracking these 3 houses for you, let you guys know what kind of updates. But it's killing me. Which one's going to go first? Are there going to be more price drops, right? Or is one of these going to come off the market? You never know. So we'll find out. And other than that, I hope you have a fantastic rest of the week. And I'll talk to you soon. And here goes my Reese's Pieces. It's out of here. Have a good one.